Daniel. No kisses today. Say we have a cold. Don't want to share it. Yeah. No, all done. Oh my. Do you like your new toy, Abby? Say, Mommy made it for you today. Yeah, he's fine. Oh, is that yummy? Yeah, say Mommy made it for you today. Huh, it's got a heart on it. Yeah, Daniel's giving you a hug. Oh, don't cough on her. You have to cough, go away. Good boy. Good boy. Oh. You want to give her a hug? Is that yummy? Is that yummy? Yeah. Say lots of tags to eat. So exciting. So exciting. Whoa. She's playing hard to get today. Hmm? What are you doing? Oh. Break free, Abby! Break free!